All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals subscriber appreciation for Bob R. He sent in a package, and I'm going to feature his clever designs, and some of them are humorous as well. So let's start off by giving a big bear hug to Bob. Thanks for sending these in. Here's one of his models, and it's a cute little teddy bear, or bear hug, I'll bet he calls it. And it's pretty nice. I like it. It's certainly a great gift. All right. So now there's quite a few of them. This one, at first, it looks like a little frog jumping. But what it is, it's a crazy little monkey. And I don't know what his exact names are for all these. But that looks great. Quit monkeying around. And let's see. He's got a nice little envelope, which is pretty clever. It's the biggest envelope I've seen out of money. And I opened this one up just for fun. Put it back. It's a nice design. You can put folded bill in there. Let's see, he's got, must be the Star Destroyer, possibly, or some type of jet. And that's really well made. Nice design. It's very precision. Looks cool. It's got a fidget spinner, and it's pretty neat. And that one's actually with $2. Pretty cool design. I like that one. It's very sturdy. And he's got the little sitting up dog here. It's pretty nice. Got the eyes. Cute little nose and everything. So that's real. These are really nice gifts. Just like I hope all the money origami on the channel is. Then did I tell you I'm happy to see you? this this little puppy is happy to see you. If you know what I'm talking about there. And that one's pretty funny. It reminds me of the dog from Duck Hunt. And then he pops up to tell you which ducks to shoot. And let's see. Here's Catnap. Probably what he calls that one. And it's got a really nice cat face there. That one's really cute. Then this one, I didn't know what it was called at first. And there's a little dog there. It's real cute. And then it finally occurred to me that that's a heart. And he told me this one he calls it puppy love. So that's pretty fun. And then I like to call it someone says what it is, and then that's not what it is, and you go, it's a heart dog on it, with a dog on a heart. All right. then he's got a really nice fish, which that's totally unique there. It's really nice, and it looks like a fish that you would want to catch rather than some of those other fish. I like this fish a lot. It's it's pretty clever. It's very cool. It's awesome. And then if you remember, I made a cat boat on my channel with the sails, and you could gaff rig it or Bermuda rig it, and I thought that was pretty cool. And Bob made one too. Here it is. It's the cat boat, man. That's hilarious. It's so I mean, maybe he calls it a cat box, but litter box or something. But no, I think it's a cat boat there, and that's awesome. Pretty cool. And then my favorite one is this bird he made. It's really awesome. I like this one a lot. Really nice wings, tail. It's a lot of thought was put into this one. And that one's definitely going on my money origami stand. And that's why I made the money origami stand, for prized models like this one. Well, I really appreciate it, Bob. And he sent in a couple other little things just for fun. And one of them I had to finagle it back into working. It's a little fun toy, especially for kids. And you can make the sword go through this key. And you stick the key in this box, and then you flip this lever, and he swings the sword right through the key. See that? It's pretty cool. And so that's pretty cool. And the key's sticking out the bottom, see? It goes all the way through. So it's a little sleight of eye magic trick. And then he sent in a little logic puzzle, which, I like doing the little puzzles too, yep. And the trick is to either get the coins in or get them out of this puzzle. And it's pretty cool. I'm not going to give it away. The trick, the only clue I'll give you is it's made out of plexiglass. And it's two pieces like this. And you're supposed to try to get your coins in there. So it's pretty fun. And if you put 2 quarters with a dime in between, then it doesn't move around at all. And that's why I'm going to keep it sitting around on the shelf. And put those back in now. Let's see, where's that from? It's from SEO Magic website, seomagic-usa.com. So he sent that in, and appreciate you, Bob. And I hope everyone enjoyed checking out Bob's cool origami. I know I did. I played with it for hours, and I didn't even wake up the cat. And the fish swam by several times, and a friend wasn't feeling great, so I sent her the bear hug. And these are a lot of fun, and you can make people laugh with the monkey. All right, well, that's about it. Oh, well, Also, I went to the bank and I got a bunch of ones, and these are the rejects. So I went and got 150, and these will be really for pre designs or just trying to work out thoughts or certain folds. But I got a bunch of ones I call the category practice. These are pretty good. So we've got a bunch of practice ones in there. And this was a lucky score because a bunch of them are pretty crisp. And so we're going to be able to make some good videos with these. Not sure which one I'll do next, but I did come up with a couple of new ones lately that aren't too hard to work out because some of them just take so long to work out, and they still haven't made it on a demo yet. But we'll get some out there pretty soon. Thanks for watching. And once again, a big old bear hug to Bob. Appreciate it, man. That's pretty cool. I really didn't think anybody'd be sending me anything anytime soon, at least even. I mean, that was really fun for me. Thanks for watching, everybody, and subscribing. And we hope to have more and more cool origami on and on. Take care.